Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw joy from inside out. So let's do it. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna start with a kind of circle right here for her face. All right. And I'm gonna do the hair. She has like pixie, kind of like a pixie haircut. So we're gonna draw a zigzag over here. Kind of more zigzag around the corner here. Up over here and line down. Curve up. Line over here on this side. Back over here. Kind of, again, kind of swooping up into the hair. She's got a little bit of over here on this end as well. And down over here. By the way, don't forget, close enough is good enough, all right? You know, close enough is great. You just want to, like, you know, kind of do it, have fun. Keeping that fun attitude is very important, so just kind of remember that, okay? Gonna go down here for the neck. Line over here for the neck. Curve over here for kind of where the shirt begins. Line down, line down. Line out over here, curve down. Kind of, she's got her hands at her side. Over here on this side, down. Curve over here. Down. All right, that's one side of the body. I'm gonna go over here to the other side. Pulling a line downward over here. Line across. And we're gonna keep pulling down over here for kind of skirt area. Wiggle, wiggle right there. And then pulling down. We're almost done, by the way, so stay there. We're almost done. Gonna go over here now over the foot. Down, line out, curve, up. Line over here, curve, up for the other foot. All right, doing pretty good so far. If you like learning how to draw cute stuff, by the way, what you should pick up is you should pick up the Cute Drawing ebook. It is in the description. It's basically giving you the proportions of drawing something cute, right? Which is a big part of this. And what I'm doing is I'm taking all the stuff that we have in the lessons throughout the videos and then condensing them into one ebook. It's super simple, easy. Like I said, it's for beginner, and it's easy to have it printed out next to you if you want it, or just have it on your phone. But pick that up. It's 100% free if you're really serious about learning this stuff inside out. And haha, inside out, you get it? Give me a like for that one. If you're learning that stuff inside out, it's perfect for you. But get it now before it's not free. It is, like I said, right now it's totally free. It's in the description, so pick that up. Gonna go over here to the arm. Out, down, curve over here. Out, down, over here for the other hand. Line down. Go over here. Curve. Line across. Curve up. Over here on this side. Smile. Let's go to the far side eye over here on this side, okay? Curve over here. Curve over here. Line right there for the inside of the eye there. Iris and pupil. Line right there. Another curve right here for there. We're almost done, okay? So stay with me. Curve over here. And now we got to fill in the inner portion of that eye, right? The iris. That's really important to fill in the iris. Like so. All right. And there's a few patterns on the outfit. You don't have to do it, but if you want, you can do like a dot. Almost looks like a kind of like a firework kind of shape. Dot over here. say hi to me in the comments, by the way, and I'll reply to every single comment. You just have to reply, and I will talk to you. So just say what's up, how's it going, how's your day. Line over here, down over here. Alrighty. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the outside border. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you. So drawing in general is incredibly fun. Something that, you know, some people do is sometimes when you draw way too much, it tends to become like a labor. It tends to become, you know, like you see it as like a job, or it's like an ego kind of thing. Like it becomes too much. And if you don't want to be there, you know, that's a sign that maybe something, you know, like you push yourself too hard and you put too much pressure on yourself to get better. If you enjoy the process of drawing, it's really going to change everything. So like if you don't like I'm sure you like the process right now, but just keep that amusement, you know, keep that, wow, okay, this is really cool to do, this is really fun, and I'm glad I'm doing it. Just keep that vibe, and yeah, you're gonna find that your drawings are gonna be getting better as well when you're like that. But obviously, keep learning. Enjoy the kind of learning process that you get from any of this, and yeah, hopefully it's good. Like I said, you can always reach out to me. I think my email's somewhere, but regardless, you can reach out to me in the comments if you have any questions. If you have any concerns, or maybe you're like, hey, I've been drawing this long and I'm not getting better. If you have anything like that, you can always send me a message, okay? It's very easy to reach me. And, you know, this is stuff I you know, enjoy, basically. I enjoy getting these messages, and that's my part, right? Trying to fix a line over here. Throwing a bigger line kind of around the character definitely helps. Stay right there, we're right at the end. But drawing a general line over the whole character gives it a little bit more punch, and it makes it look a little bit more animated when you do that. So just drawing like that slightly thicker line around the outside of everything does do this a lot. So I really hope that you have you know, a cool time doing this. I wanted to adjust those, but these are all like easy stuff to do, right? Easy pictures to draw. What I want you to do is I want you to stay right there. We're going to keep drawing together. So let's go over a different drawing lesson together, okay? So I want you to stay right there, and let's get started on the next drawing lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.